Kitchen Zen 2025. How to make your kitchen smarter, cleaner, and more inspiring. The kitchen has long been considered the heart of the home, but in 2025, it's evolved into something more. A hub of smart comfort, creative expression, and eco-conscious living. This year, kitchens are no longer just places to cook. They're where wellness, sustainability, and technology merge. Here's how to tap into the modern kitchen movement without a full renovation. Using ideas that are visual, practical, and podcast perfect. Start with decluttering the visual noise. Open shelving is still trending, but in 2025, it's about intelligent minimalism. That means displaying only what's useful or emotionally valuable. Think a color-coordinated spice rack, a set of heritage mugs, or vintage cookbooks. Clear counters help the brain feel less overwhelmed, and this year, it's all about mental clarity through visual space. Invisible storage solutions are key, from magnetic knife strips to fold-down cabinet racks that hide clutter in plain sight. Next, upgrade your eco-habit loops. Sustainability in the kitchen is more about micro-habits than buying new gadgets. A countertop compost jar made of recycled bamboo, beeswax wraps in earthy tones, and refillable glass dispensers for dish soap all speak to the 2025 trend of gentle green. Designers and influencers are shifting away from loud sustainability statements towards soft visuals and tactile materials that invite consistent use. The goal is to make green behavior instinctive, not performative. Then, bring in sensorial design. Kitchen decor is moving beyond looks. It's about how the space feels. That includes using textured wood panels, adding under-cabinet LED lighting with soft warmth settings, and hanging herbs like rosemary or thyme that release natural aroma as they dry. Sound is also a player. Silent closing drawers, soft silicone utensil sets, and even curated playlists designed for meal prep moments are part of the sensorial wave. A kitchen that engages your senses can reduce stress and improve daily rituals. Finally, embrace identity corners. Think of a framed section of your wall where you display handwritten recipes from family members, or a tiny tea altar with ceramic cups and a mini kettle setup. For some, it's a breakfast nook with a rotating seasonal art print. The rule: it must tell a story about you. These curated corners bring warmth and authenticity to even the most high-tech kitchen, acting as anchors of meaning in a space built for motion.